Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a custom mode in our modes and routines in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So first of all we need to go to settings, then in modes and routines. When we scroll all the way down we have add mode, and here we can do a few things. For example, we can change our name, we can change color of our icon at the top, we can change our icon green bar, let's say. Done. We can choose to turn it off manually or after a set time. We can also set up a schedule, or we can do a few other things. For example, turn on automatically when the apps are open, when the Blue device is opened, time period as I said before. So we can make our schedule here every day, every week, every day of the week, some days of the week, or even a month if we need to. Done. And now we have our now 1, 2, 3 mode enabled and active, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.